Hello my dear students, welcome you all in online class. Today we will do some extra question from your chapter Nutrition in Animals. So let's begin. First question, how does the human body obtain fatty acids? As you know from fat, the fats are broken down into fatty acids. Actually fatty acids are the product of fats. So how human body obtain those fatty acids? So the answer will be fat present in the food items such as butter, oil, milk and meat are complex substances which are broken into simple fatty acids by lipase present in pancreatic juice. As you have already learned, one gland, pancreas, that secrete pancreatic juice. In pancreatic juice, an enzyme called lipase is present which actually helps to break down the fats into simple fatty acids. And then when the fats is completely broken down into fatty acid, then it can be absorbed into the blood. Okay? Next question. How is energy obtained by the cell of our body? Actually, we take energy from the food like glucose, which is the simplest form of carbohydrate. So the answer is the glucose, which is the final product of carbohydrate digestion, is broken down inside the cell in presence of oxygen. During this process, the energy present in glucose is released along with carbon dioxide and water. And this is actually the cellular respiration. Means the respiration takes place in our cell. And this is how cells obtain energy and use it to perform different functions. Now the next question. Why is small intestine richly supplied with blood vessels? You have already learned and you have already been told that small intestine is possessing small projection villi or villi, and these are actually supplied with blood vessel. What are the main function of this richly supplied blood vessel? Actually, the small intestine richly supplied with blood vessel because the absorption of food takes place in small intestine through villi, and absorbed food moves to the blood present in the blood vessel for assimilation. Okay, this is very simplest answer. Now name the type of teeth which are for chewing and grinding food, piercing and tearing food, biting and cutting food. So we have already learned there are 4 types of teeth in us. What are those? Incisor, canine, premolars and molars. And for chewing and grinding food, premolars are actually used. And for piercing and tearing food, canines are used, and biting and cutting of food is done by incisors. Okay. So next, the match the column. This will be done by all of you. This will be your homework. So just see this thing. Frog engulf food by phosphate? Never. Hydra, you know. There's a right hand picture, first picture you can see. This is a picture of Hydra, and Hydra having some projection or processes, these are called tentacles. I am giving some clue of the unknown organism for you. Okay. So Hydra catches insect with its tongue? Never. Amoeba, you have already learned what is amoeba. It's a unicellular organism, actually a kind of protozoa that are having pseudopodia. Use tentacles for ingestion of food? Never. You just remember which organism have tentacles for ingestion of food. Now spider uses cilia for ingestion of food. Spider, you know, cilia are the structure that are present in an unicellular organism such as Paramecium, that is below Hydra. Cilia are for ingestion of food, also for movement, locomotion. Okay. And Paramecium is the unicellular organism that is here given, that is the picture of Paramecium, and above is the Hydra, and they capture their food through tentacles. Okay, next, butterfly lives in liquid food? No. Proboscis, you know, proboscis means the things or the structure by which any insect just suck the nectar from flower. Okay, this is proboscis. And tearing of meat, you know, milk teeth is not teeth that are fall off in children, you know what are those. Tongue dinger. Taste bud, you know where it is present. Mastication means mixing of food inside the mouth cavity or buccal cavity, and chewing or mixing of food and canines. Now you can answer these all. Here the three pictures. Hydra, they are taking food with the help of tentacles, and next is the Paramecium. Paramecium having cilia or hair-like structure at the outer wall. This helps to capture their food, just like amoeba having pseudopodia, they are having cilia. And next is the butterfly. They are having a proboscis through which they are sucking the nectar from flowers. Okay, I hope you understood this, and this will be your homework. Just show me in the e-portal. Okay, thank you student. Stay safe.